Assalamu alaikum students, welcome back to our channel our English Day। आज के लेसन में हम congratulations की जगह इस्तेमाल होने वाले अल्फाज को सीखेंगे और साथ ही साथ हम इन अल्फाज को सेंटेंसेस में भी यूज़ करेंगे ताकि आपको ये अल्फाज याद रह सकें। So without further ado, let's start our lesson। So हमारा फर्स्ट वर्ड है well done, well done, well done on finishing the project ahead of schedule. Well done on finishing the project ahead of schedule. Bravo, 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 your performance was fantastic. Bravo, your performance was fantastic. Great job, great job. Great job on completing the report on time. Great job on completing the report on time. Impressive, impressive. Your presentation was impressive. Your presentation was impressive. You nailed it. You nailed it. You nailed the exam. You got a perfect score. You nailed the exam. You got a perfect score. Exceptional work. Exceptional work. Your work is exceptional. Your work is exceptional. Hats off to you. Hats off to you. Hats off to you for your dedication. Hats off to you for your dedication. Way to go. Way to go. You passed the test. Way to go. You passed the test. Way to go. That's incredible. That's incredible. You won the lottery. That's incredible. You won the lottery. That's incredible. You have made us proud. You have made us proud. You graduated with honors. You have made us proud. You graduated with honors. You have made us proud. I am thrilled for your success. I am thrilled for your success. I am thrilled for your promotion. I am thrilled for your promotion. It's a remarkable accomplishment. It's a remarkable accomplishment. Building a successful business is a remarkable accomplishment. Building a successful business is a remarkable accomplishment. हमारे साथ यूं ही लगातार इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए हमारे YouTube चैनल और इंग्लिश डे को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। शुक्रिया।